This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Marla Finkelstein. Craftman Bungalow, 1-story west/basement, on large 16,450 lot in prime Bellingham location close to Whatcom Falls, Lake Padden, and all amenities. Home remodeled in 2013, replaced roof, siding, windows, added bathroom and walk-in closet to create a master suite as well as walk-in closet to second bedroom. Hardwood floors, efficient ductless heating and cooling unit and stackable washer/dryer on main level. The floor plan is open with a charming white kitchen and living room combined. Daylight basement with a third bedroom or bonus room plus a mechanical room with workbench and added storage. Possible bathroom could be added. Oversized detached garage, private yards in front and back, plus RV parking. Wade King Elementary. Must see. For more information.